So I decided to do a rolling project pan, which means every time I finish my projects or my products, I will come on here and show you my progress. It's a lot of damn peas. So it's going to be rolling throughout the year obviously till 2020. So that's my goal. I've already finished some products on my last video. I'll put that card up here, and then I'll also put my playlist. This is my third episode or my third edition of Project Pan. So you can look at my progress if you want to watch those videos. I'm also going to do a Project Pan skincare, and then I think I'm going to do that a rolling one as well. Rolling just means that it's pretty much going to last as long as you want it to last, or it can last all year. Actually, basically, you make your own rules. So as soon as you finish a product, you can add another product. I really like doing Project Pans because I feel like I get my money's worth out of my products, and they're not just sitting there. So I actually feel like I get excited to use products, and I know that sounds really strange, but it's a good feeling when you finish something instead of just letting it sit there and waste. So like I said, I did finish some products last time, and I have a new update, and I have some more empties for you guys. I'm so excited. So like I said, this one's going to be rolling, so I am going to show you my new items I'm adding to this yearly project rolling pan. So I'll go ahead and start with you guys of the empties, and then we will do the ones I have not really touched, which I'm kind of ashamed of. But alright, so I finally finished my Urban Decay De-Slick. This was so easy, you guys. Like, basically when I started this project, I just wanted to make myself use it because it was just sitting in my drawer, and I could I could hear, like, it was probably about to here when I started my project pan. It's probably about down to here. I could just hear a little bit in there, and I was like, you know what? This is just gonna waste, and that's stupid. So I was like, I'm gonna put this in a project, and I'm gonna use this, and I did. I'm so proud of myself. So if you can hear this, there's nothing in here. It's going in my empties. Yeah. So that is gonna go in the empties, upcoming empties, for July. And I also finished my other Dr. Brandt Pores No More. I dug all that out. I had like several of these. I don't know if you remember that, but if you look back, I had 3 primers, I think, 1 Cover FX, and 2 Dr. Brandt Pores No More. These are like my favorite. Obviously, I finished it, so I don't have any more. So this is going in my empties. And the last thing that I could not believe, you guys, that I finished was, I've never finished a powder before. I finished my Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. You guys, you remember how much I told you guys I love this powder. I actually finished a powder. I am so proud of myself because I know I paid $30-something for this powder, and I will show you that honestly I finished every drop in here. There's a sifter, and you can actually take this sifter out. I'm gonna try not to break it because I'm actually gonna reuse this, because one of my powders that I'm gonna put in this rolling project broke, so I'm gonna actually use this container. So yay, look at that. It is so cool to actually show a progress like this, because this was, I mean, obviously it wasn't full when I started my project, but it still makes me feel really good that I'm using my products, you know what I mean? So it is completely empty. Woo, woo, woo. Alright, so I'm excited. Like I said, this is a really cool powder thing. So I'm actually going to keep this. I'm going to recycle it, and I'm just going to put the name of my new powder, like I'll write it with a marker or something, so I'll know that. Alright, so those are my empties, and now I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did not know. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm going to roll into this project, and then I'll show you the progress of the other things. Okay, so what I'm rolling into this project is another concealer. You guys know I'm working on the Makeup Forever Full Coverage Concealer. I'm working on this. I use this every other day. I'm trying to get through it. I've had this is probably my oldest concealer, so I've had this a while. I want to get through it, but I'm adding this one. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and you guys can see my progress on this. I really want to get through it. I really want to finish it. I just feel like if I put it in this project pan, that it'll make me want to use it more, and then I'll finish this one and I'll have another empties. So I'm really excited because you can see, like, when it starts to come off the side, it means it's pretty much, you just gotta like scrape the bottom, scrape the sides. So I'm gonna work on this. Hopefully I can get through it. I mean, I know I can get through it by the next update, but hopefully I can get through it. I'm gonna try to get through it in a week. Maybe you'll see it in my Shop My Stash or something, and I can tell you I finished it, whatever. But this one's going to be in the rolling project for the year. Another thing I'm adding to this is the Mary Luminizer. I got this in an Ipsy, and I just never use this. It's like a really teeny tiny mini, and I just want to use it. So this is going to go in my rolling year project pan. So hopefully by the end of the year I can have this finished. I just never use this highlighter. I'm not a huge fan of it, and it just sits in my drawer. So I really want to use it. Hopefully I'll learn to love it or something. So yeah, so I'm excited to put this in my rolling project for the year. Last but not least, I'm putting the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. This is the pressed powder. Mine, you guys know I always drop my makeup products. So I dropped it, and it's a hot mess. So I'm actually going to repress it, or either put it in this empty one. So this is going in my rolling project pan. So I'm excited. I know I can finish another powder because I use powders so much, because obviously I have combo skin, so I love setting my face with powder. I just love keeping a powder in my purse, so I go through powders like crazy. I'm excited to put that one in there. Now let's go ahead and talk about the progress of my other stuff. That I'm doing good in some things and not so good in some. Okay, so I feel like the most progress, I'll show you the 3 products. I feel like I'm going to get there soon. I keep this in my purse a lot, actually. The Neutrogena Shine Control Powder. It has rice protein complex in it. This one I'm almost done with. Basically, I'm just trying to like get around the edges of this. And basically, I just keep this in my purse. And when I get like really shiny in my T-zone area, I'll just swirl my brush around and I'll just touch up my face. And I like to do that. So I think I can get through with this, hopefully by the next time I update you guys. But yeah, so that is I'm doing pretty good in that. Another one I didn't think I would finish, but I'm doing really good on this one as well. This is the Smashbox liquid lipstick in Chill Zone. I'm actually wearing it today, but I mixed it with, what did I mix it with? I mixed it with the NYX Liquid Suede in, what color is this? This is in Club Hopper. So this one's more like a purpley color, and this one's more gray. So I mixed this with that. So that's what I'm wearing on my lips today, but I'm trying to get through this. I think I can finish it, especially by fall, because this is like one of my favorite fall colors. So I'm excited. This, like I said, this is my progress. You're not going to be able to see the progress, but I just know that I'm using it. So, and the other thing, like I said, I've really been using this. You can see through the concealer. So yeah, I'm doing pretty well on it. I'm like really having to like push the concealer out, so I know I'll have that done soon. Now let's talk about the products I have not done so well on. My Urban Decay Naked Heat palettes, I have not even picked this up once. I'm hoping I'll pull this out for maybe in the fall. And I really want to, this is the one that's in my project, so I really want to work on this like rusty color right here. I actually could have wore it today, but I didn't. I'm actually wearing I've been wearing the Natasha Denona palette. It's like, I'm obsessed with that palette. So I've been like putting this on the back burner, but I really need to work on this color for the fall. So hopefully I'll have some progress later on to show you guys on that. Also, I haven't been wearing this foundation, and I need to, but as you can see, like, I'm still about where I was the last time. You can see it's like kind of coming off the side right there, but I'm about right there. So I still have a good ways to go on this foundation, so I'm hoping to finish this maybe in the fall. I don't know, when I feel like more coverage. I've been using this, but not a ton. I have so many new bronzers. Yeah, this one I'm just not using it. It's a shimmer bronzer by Model Co. And I just don't feel like I've made any progress with that. Another thing I haven't really made progress with is this one. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I don't really love this mascara, you guys. And it just kind of sits there. Like, I've already opened it, but I just don't use it. It's one of those like plasticky bristles. It's not my favorite at all. So when something's not your favorite, you don't want to use it. So yeah, this one's not doing so hot. I'm not using it. And I'm also not using these three products, these little minis. I need to work on it. I think I'll probably use these lipsticks more in the fall. I'm hoping I will. This is the Kat Von D Sanctuary. I have no progress to show you on that. This is the ColourPop Beeper. Have no progress on that. The liner is the Eco Liner. I have been using this a lot, but I don't like this. So these two products I don't really like, so I'm not really enjoying using them. But yeah, that's my progress. And like I said, you guys, let me know in the comments, like, are you doing any kind of project pan? What are you finishing? What are you working on? And also, do you like project pan videos? Because I'm really excited. Like I said, I've got like 3 project pans in the works, and I might do a Christmas one. I don't know yet. But so a year-long rolling project is the one I'm talking about today. I'm gonna do a skincare rolling project pan, and then I'm also gonna do, I think, a Halloween project pan and maybe a Christmas one. So anyway, you guys, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Please hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you get notified for all future videos. I do have my weekly giveaways every Saturday. And to win that, you have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to comment. You have to hashtag Shop My Stash giveaway. I'll put that card up here if you would like to enter. And I'll put the card at the end of the video as well. Also, I'll put the progress, my playlist of my project pan, my rolling project pan for the year. If you guys want to see my progress on that, I'll put the playlist. Also, down in the description box, I will put my Instagram, my Facebook, and then my channel link. I will be having giveaways at the end of July on Facebook, Instagram, and on the channel, because it is my anniversary this month in July. I've been on YouTube for, I think, 3 years, so really exciting. So yes, I just want to say thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.